I'm here by these pagoda plants. That's what they're called because you see they're triangular like pagodas. And the butterflies love to come to these. They eat the nectar. Now, you don't get any honey from butterflies, but you get the joy of seeing them, which really is about enough. But if you look, you'll see each flower is really teeny. It's only that big. And there's only a dot of nectar on each one. Now, they're here long enough that it'll produce some more, and another butterfly will come tomorrow, or a bee, and they'll continue to do the work. But each flower only gives them a teeny bit of what they need. What they need is persistence in order to get enough to feed them over a long period of time. Now, you see each plant has, well, hundreds, and it will keep blooming for a while. And you can see there's all through here, there are a bunch of pagoda plants. But the persistence on the butterfly's part means that it's getting a sip here and a sip there and a sip there. And it needs to have the patience and persistence to get the job done. And those two things together, patience and persistence, equal success for the butterfly. Not just for the butterfly, but for you and I as well. The patience and persistence to get a little bit of what we need, a little bit at a time. The butterfly doesn't expect to get the full load from any one flower, and nor should we expect to get the full load in a small amount. But the patience and persistence to do the work over time means success in the long run. For the butterfly, that means dinner. For you, it means licensure and the ability to do the work you were called to do. Well, that means that for the butterfly, it's in here. For you, it's in there.